Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, now we have entered into the month of September and today it is time to visit our organic field and see what all are growing. Friends, since last 15 days of the August, it was very heavy raining in our area and lot of waterlogging all over. Although we haven't had such heavy waterlogging over here, but definitely we have some of the losses due to the heavy rain. So today in this visit, we'll see after this heavy rain how the crops are doing and what are the plants we are doing for the future. So let's get into the field and see what all plants are doing. So friends, now let us start as usual from the right corner. And here first it is all the big size custard apple plant. And you can see that with this, there was a lot of rain and lot of wind also. So many of the stems has broken down. You can see the broken stems all over. So we have lot of damage due to the wind. And here the plant is recovering. It is not heavy raining since last 2 days. And the plant is showing some sign of recovery. And here you can see the new flowering is also setting. And we are hoping that with this new flowering, we'll get some of the fruit in this custard apple. Now moving forward into the next field, here is all the turmeric and ginger plantation. Last video I have shown that we have just weeded this and cleaned this field, but now you can see that lot of weed is again appear. So since last 20-25 days we are not able to do any work into this field. The only good part is you can see the growth of the turmeric. Turmeric is grown very well into this field. Now we need to do the weeding and little digging work for the last time into this turmeric, and then we'll only maintain the water into this. So before weeding we'll put some wood ash also to get the good tuber development, but the weeding is due into this field. Now moving into this side, this is our mixed orchard of the grapes, and we have intercrop this with the elephant foot yam and the taro. Here you can see the grapevine is damaged a lot. Most of the leaves are either rotten, black it down and fall away, and the stems are now left out. So there will be a recovery, but we are not sure that we will get the grapes this year or not. Here in this bottom, the taro, you can see the very well growth of the taro. We have very small seedling over here, seed of the taro over here, but the growth is very good. So we are expecting a good taro yield from this. Now in taro we need to some activity like pruning or the bending of the leaf to get the side tuber development. So I will do that activity in nearby days. And in this line it is elephant foot yam, and here you can see the elephant foot yam, the leaf are damaged badly. This is the damage caused by the worms. Now these are the army worm mostly. We have checked this. So we need to take care for that by spraying either the neem oil, and we will be also spraying some Beauveria bassinia to control this army worm. Otherwise we will not get the good yield from this elephant foot yam. So this activity we need to do it now on the priority. On this side we have our nursery, but because of the heavy rain, all the cloth on the nursery was settled down on the nursery and lot of damage has done to the nursery. Although there are some plants which are left over, so we will collect the good plants and transplant it, but now we need to clean it and do the nursery again. Meanwhile you can see that ginger also is with a lot of weed, so the weeding work is required on the priority basis. Moving forward, here is the hydroponic polyhouse where we have just started the activity, and I have put the video on the last week only. So here we are going to start all the activity for sowing different crop into the hydroponic, and I will update you on that. Same way in this month we are going to start this aquaponic system also, and I will update you on that also. Now let us moving forward into the next area, which is our mixed fruit orchard, and see what is the condition over there. So now moving forward, you can see the lot of vegetation all over. You can see my garden, how it has happened in last 30 days. And here also you can see the pathway. It is full of vegetation and the remains of the trees. As we are moving forward to the fruit orchard, you can see that lot of coconut leaves are falling, lot of weeds are there. So we need to clean all this for the revival of this area. Here we see that our mulberry tree, the big mulberry tree, is now uprooted totally. It has damaged couple of plants also. So we need to remove this tree again. We'll plant something new. Similar way, the many trees are fallen down. Next on the line is our compost pile. They have further suppressed down. So more composting on the bottom, and top also is started composting. So now it is time to turn it over. Similar way, you can see the lot of damage has happened, lot of leaves are falling. Here also you can see the one of the neem stem has broken with the wind and in the falling in the way. So we'll go under this. Now moving forward to this area, this is the backside of the turmeric farming and 3 triple layer fruit orchard. So you can see that this turmeric is doing good. Here you can see this turmeric are also doing good, but lot of weed is there. So we need to get rid of this weed as soon as possible for better growth of this turmeric. Then moving forward to our lake area, you can see everywhere all the vegetation has exploded very fast. So we need to cut down or clean down this area first. So this is the what happened to my pond. The pond was full before 2 days. Now since 2 days it is not heavy raining, but you can see that all the water is almost digested. You can see some of the water over there, but soon it is going to digest it. But meanwhile we have lost this mango tree. The big mango tree just fallen down. So we need to remove this tree now. We'll try to cut it and lift it again and try to save it. But we'll see whether it will be surviving or not. Moving forward, this is again the right side, the triple layer fruit orchard. You can see all the vegetation growing haphazard. And on the left, our nursery is as it is. Moving forward to this area, you can see on the back side, there was a clean space now. So earlier, it was used to have a couple of trees over there, neem and babul, but all have went down. You can see the tree has fallen. Similar way, this is a kapok tree. Here also the lot of stems, the heavy stems have fallen down like this. So they are broken down with the heavy wind and come down. Here also you can see that babul trees fall down and this has blocked our total way. Moving forward to our custard apple orchard, you can see that the lot of vegetation and it is difficult to get in, but we'll go slowly into this. Here in the orchard, everything is overgrown and you can see the weed, the height of the weed which is grown. So we need to clean it as soon as possible. It is difficult or danger also. So moving to the last area, but before moving to last area, we'll see that custard apple, in custard apple, because of this lot of vegetation, there is no weed in below, but the turmeric is growing slowly. So there are turmeric inside which is growing. In the last area, there is not a big damage with the wind. Only one plant seems to be turned down, but remaining plants are still in the upright position. Here the turmeric germination is completed and we need to weed it because the weed has started growing. But once we clean it, it will be more like the good place. So this is all about all the organic field visit after the heavy rain and heavy wind condition. So we have lost some of the trees, but as a overall we haven't lost much. Couple of trees we have lost and lot of vegetation has grown. So a lot of cleaning work will be there in the upcoming days. So friends, how do you like my organic field? Please write me back into the comment box. And you also can start doing organic way like this, planting many different variety of the fruits and the vegetables in your garden. Here also you can see all the compost pile was here, was high up to this level, is now down by almost half the level. So water is beneficial somewhere and somewhere it is detrimental. So this is all about our organic field visit this month. For next month we'll be do visit again, and meanwhile we are going to plant many things for which I will keep you updated. So keep watching. Happy growing.